Simple linear regression. Regression analysis is a very useful statistical method to explore the relationship between two or more variables. Like you can find the relationship between the number of classes you miss in maths and final marks you get. So there is a relationship, right? Also, the distance you cover and time taken, again there is a relationship. Research and development expenses, annual profit, gasoline mileage performance, MPG, and engine displacement. So there are relationship between these two quantities. Now, how to find simple regression? In a simple linear regression model, it is assumed that the true relationship between the two variables x and y can be described by a straight line. So we can write the equation of regression. Y is equal to a plus bx. This is also called least square equation or regression equation. What is y here? Y is dependent variable. X is independent. Y is dependent on x. So x is independent variable. A and B are known as parameters. They are also called regression coefficients. In this equation, A is also intercept. You know, we get a straight line when we draw a linear equation. A is intercept. B is called slope coefficient. We'll take one example, x and y, two different variables, and try to plot them in the graph. Let's see what type of straight line do we get. So we can use Excel in this. I'll take two different variables, x and y. X and y. X can be number of pages in a book and y is the selling price. Suppose the number of pages are 400, 600, 700 and say 1000, and the price in dollars is 40, 50, 55, 60. Now we'll try to plot these points. This is called scatter diagram. You can bring this in the center. And so x and y are two different quantities. X is number of books, y is the price. We'll see what type of scatter diagram do we get. Go to insert and use scatter. So this is what. Can you see the graph? See this x and y. What do we see? We see this is a straight line, almost not all in a straight line, but it goes from down to up. See, it's going upward. So this type of relation is called positive regression. I hope you have understood. Because when one quantity increases, the other also increases. I can shift it to slightly this side so that, see, x is increasing, y is also increasing. So this is positive regression. Let's try another one. X is increasing and the other one is decreasing. Think of two quantities. This is like number of hours you study and the grades. No, if you study more, you will get more marks. So take it that one increases, the other decreases. Oh, the number of times you miss your class. Suppose you miss for 12 hours and the grade you get, or the marks you get 30. You miss for 10 hours, what will happen to your marks? They'll increase, say 40. You miss for 8 hours, you get 50. You miss for 6 hours and you get 80. And you miss for 2 hours, you get 90. Suppose you don't miss. So possible to get full 100 marks, right? Now we'll try to plot this. Same way, highlight this. And go to graph, insert, scatter. See, I'll just shift it to this side. What do you see? The direction, the slope. This is negative slope. In that case, it was positive from up to down. So this type of relation is called negative regression. So we have finished today positive and negative regression using scatter diagrams. You can see the numbers. See here, x is decreasing and y is increasing. So one is increasing, the other is decreasing. The regression is negative. Thank you.